not only does he have that OBS, he's got the square body, man. The best of both worlds. The best of both worlds here. Ooh, wee, ooh, wee. Looky, 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 looky. 295, 35, 20. Flip kit in the back. C-notch in the back. American racing. I think they call them torque thrust maybe. 235, 35, 20 in the front. Got him lowered. Looky, looky. Got some of them LED headlights in him. Silverado 10. The C10 square body. Silverado C10 square body. It's got a build sheet on everything. I want to say that this was, looks like it was a long bed at one time. Yeah, okay. Yeah. This is a long bed. Got him cut down. Yes, sir. I like it. First time I've ever seen one done this way. Or done, period, actually. What does it look like on the inside? Looky, looky. Got us the wood grain. Grant. Y'all see the Grant. Wood grain Grant. Bent seat. Real nice little dash cover. I like that color. Breaks it up a little bit. Yeah, man. What's under the hood? Y'all want to know what's under the hood? What's under the hood? What's under the hood? Y'all want to know? Do y'all want to know what's under the hood? Do y'all want to know what's under the hood? I like the patina. Look at the patina paint job. Plus, it's got clear on it too. Stock headlights. Don't forget about the OBS now. You got the best of both worlds, man. Look. The best of both worlds. Yeah. Patina paint job. Okay. This first time I seen a long bed cut down. Interesting in how they do it. Tailgate. Got some pinstriping all the way down it. All the way down pinstriping. Not sure what year it is though. I'm not sure what year this one is. Not sure. I can. Matter of fact, he's got a Facebook post that I guess I can share that link in here and add it to this video. Add it to the video. Y'all said y'all wanted to see some square bodies. CT in action. CT in action. Oh! 41,000, but we know. Door shuts real nice. Look at the patina, man. I like that. What is under the hood? Uh-oh. 383 stroker. 383 stroker. And it's got AC. And it has AC with the 383 stroker. Man, with some long tubes. Edelbrock intake. Edelbrock carb. Y'all missing out, man. Somebody want a square body. Here it is. Here it is. It's the original 305 truck. But now is a 383 stroker with some get down. What I say? Some with some Yes, sir. Steel hood. Man, makes me wish I never got with mine. Mine was an 81. But why? It happens. Sometimes you gotta let things go. Nice chrome bumper front and back. Chin spoiler. Is that what they call that up front there? Below the bumper, chin spoiler. Clear windows, sliding back glass. Crystal clear windows. No cracks in the windshield. Yeah, man. And these wheels, to me, you can put these on anything and really, 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 really set it off on anything. Clear lenses on the marker lights. Do y'all want a square body? I think you do. I think somebody wants a square body or an OBS. I think you do. Here's the number, man. Y'all want any more information on this particular truck, that particular truck, that OBS, this square body, hit that number up right there. He gonna get you right. OBS, square body, C10.
I want it. I need it. 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 I want it. I need it.
Uno, dos, tres. Pose.
Look what we found here. OBS short wheelbase. Got that flip kit on the back. USA mags. She's sitting nice. I like the stance. I like the stance. Got the sport mirrors on it. 1997 350 automotive. There's a number if y'all interested in it. There's a number if y'all interested in it. There's the number. 350 truck. I want to say low mileage, actually. Very low mileage truck. She looking better, look better than mine. Oh man, uh-oh, I left my gas cap open. Looks better than mine. Again, there's the number if y'all interested. Look at bed liner in it. So she's nice and clean on the inside. Very nice. 145 on the dial. 145 on the dial. She's clean, y'all. Nice OBS. Door shuts real good. I like that look. I like them 245 20s on it. 275 45 20 in the back. And 245 45 in the front. So we got a little staggered look going on. Got a little staggered look. Nice grill. Clean engine bay. Clean engine bay. 350 truck. 2-wheel drive. Somebody needs this. Somebody needs this. Vortec spider injection. I want to say it's a spider injection. As you can see, 5.7. Factory 5.7 truck. She looks good. She looks real nice. Somebody needs this. I like the clear lenses on the right here. Got the clear up front. Sport mirrors. Little short antenna. I've got the red paint on it. Tailgate looks real nice. Roll pan. Oh man, I forgot it. We even got a roll pan on it. Got the roll pan on it. I don't have no keys or anything to let y'all hear it, but if y'all interested, hit that number right here. He'll definitely let y'all hear it run, or leave a message in the comments. I can come back and I can shoot a video or possibly do a live and let y'all hear it run. It would definitely have to be in the evening though, because of work and stuff. But hey, somebody needs this OBS. I know they do. OBS is hot right now. This is a 97 flip kit in the back and C-notched. Flip kit and C-notched. We can get some more information as far as what the gearing is. Chances are 342, 373, possibly. I'm not sure. He's probably got the rear end that I'd love to have. Posi. I want Posi out back for mine, but this one here, I want to say it's probably got a lower spindle in the front. I'm not sure, or a spring. Like I said, I can get more information if y'all interested in it. 1997 OBS. And then, not only do he has the 1997 OBS, there's a square body also that we can also bring to the channel once he gets it finished up. Bring the square body to the channel. It'll be for sale as well. And I've been told that my angle on my cameras, I've been too close to them. They just said, "Hey man, I can't see it. I can't see the vehicle. You're up too close." So, hey, we're backing up now. But somebody needs an OBS. Here's one for you. Somebody looking for an OBS. Here's one for you. Somebody wants an OBS. Here's one for you. 350 truck. Automatic. 145,000 miles, what it looked like was on the dial. Interior. Y'all want to go back into the interior again? Very, very clean. Headliner. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, 145 on the dial, y'all. And the dash ain't all cut up. You know, somebody didn't put no CD player in it. You know what I mean? Cut the dash up. Door panels ain't sagging. Seat ain't all ripped up. You know what I mean? This is a nice truck. Real nice truck. Somebody needs it. 1997. 1997 OBS flip kit, C-notch, roll pan, very, very nice interior. Body is straight. I mean, that body looks good. That body looks real good. Real nice. So get the comments, thumbs up, hit that subscribe for me, man. I need y'all to hit that subscribe for me. Hit that subscribe for me. Get in the comments. Let me know if y'all interested in this truck. USA mag wheels, 20s, 245, 45, 20 in the front, 275, 45, 20 in the back. Look at that stance. I like that stance. All right, be blessed, stay blessed.